Thanks for joining us in our hands-on preview of the Samsung Galaxy A56. This is the Galaxy A56 in the awesome light gray color option. You can't tell, but the Galaxy A56 has a slightly larger 6.7-inch display. There's nothing on the left side, just a solid aluminum frame. At the bottom, you will find the USB Type-C port and the SIM tray, as well as microphone and speaker ports. On the right side, you will find the power and volume control buttons. There's nothing at the top except for 2 microphone ports. The front camera now has a 12-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture. At the back, you will find a triple camera combination of a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The back is now protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, just like the display. The Galaxy A56 is powered by Samsung's own Exynos 1580 mobile chip and IP67 rated for dust and water resistance. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, which now supports 45-watt fast charging. It, however, does not support wireless charging. We hope you found this video useful. For more details, please click on the link in the description for our article. Please support our work by subscribing to our channel and sponsoring us through the links below. Thank you.